Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see data structures and algorithms using Java NPTEL assignment for week 4. Go to course, continue, or you can click on the week 4 assignment 4. Question first, answer will be option D. To insert a new element at the end of the linked list. Question second, what will be following function to do given a linked list with the first node as head? Answer will be option A. Print all the nodes of the linked list. Question third. In the worst case, the number of the comparisons needed to search an item stored in a single linked list structure of the length x 101 is. Answer will be option B. 101. Question fourth. Which of the following statements accurately describe the difference between the array and linked list? Answer will be option A. Question fifth. What is the time complexity of deletion from the end of circular double linked list? Answer will be option A. 01. Question sixth. Which of the following statement is or are false about Java linked list? Answer will be option A and option D. Java linked list class cannot contain duplicate elements, and Java linked list class cannot be used as list, stack or queue. So A and D options are incorrect. So these will be our answer for question 6th. Question 7th. For which of the following application linked list may be good choice? Answer will be option A, option B and option D. Spare matrix manipulation, random access requirement and memory management. Question 8th. Which of the following statements about array and linked list in the Java is or are incorrect? Answer will be option A, option B and option D. Only option C is correct. So our answer will be option A, option B and option D. Arrays are always faster than linked list. Linked list are always faster than array. Arrays and linked list have same performance for both random and sequential access. Question 9th. Answer will be option B, option C and option D. Question 10th. Answer will be option D. Thank you guys. We have completed all 10 questions. Now we can submit our assignment.